All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and how does a young technician get faster? Let's talk about it. Number one question I get from young technicians is, how do I get faster at doing repairs, diagnostics, etc.? And that's the wrong mindset. Going faster means you break stuff. Going faster means you forget to do stuff, torquing things, putting all the bolts in, putting the brackets in. Going faster does not equal quality. And that's the thing you need to focus on the most as a young technician is quality. Quality of the repair is way more important than being fast. I know service writers, shop managers, owners are going, I need this car, I need this car, I need this car. So you're under pressure to do fast. I know it's hard, but quality has to come first. Way better to be late getting a car back to a customer than having the customer break down 100 miles away and the shop be on the hook for that. Quality should always come first. Now let's talk how to get more efficient. That's the mindset you need, is you need to be more efficient. That's the key. Your mindset after quality needs to be not faster, more efficient. What I mean by that is when I do repairs, even repairs I'm intimately familiar with, I'm never going at 100%, meaning I'm never going as fast as I can go. Because you know what happens when you go at 100%? Mistakes. You drop a bolt you need, you drop a bolt in the intake, you drop something, break something. Whenever you go that fast, things will go wrong. So when I'm doing a repair, I'm at 70, maybe 80% speed. I can go faster. And I have at times. Using a car analogy, pedal to the floor, you're on the straightaway, you just keep going, keep going, keep going. That turn's coming up, you don't let off. And you go right through the wall. And that is what can happen going 100% on your speed. Is, yeah, you might make that turn once or twice, but then the third time, well, you just go through the wall. Something gets damaged, something very expensive. So there was a video going around by another creator where a guy was literally slamming a transmission into probably a BMW by hand. And it was a joke about cutting warranty times, but that's not the point. So yeah, he's slamming that transmission in fast, getting it in there, rocking and rolling on flat rate. What happens when he drops the transmission, breaks the tail shaft housing? The manufacturer goes, we don't have any of those in the country. Here's a new transmission, $6,000. That kind of stuff can screw you over way more than a couple of seconds doing it right. That's why I say you need to be efficient, not focus on speed, but efficiency. Efficiency, you'll pick up a 1/10 here, a 1/10 there. Going fast, yeah, you'll pick up 4/10, but then you'll lose it on the mistakes. Being efficient means you're planning your steps and going in a logical order from here to here to here. Whereas going fast, you're gonna run through those steps and probably miss some stuff. So you're gonna have higher percentage of comebacks, just more problems. You also don't want to hurt yourself lifting that transmission because that's what's going to happen. I've told this story before. Bam Bam at the old shop, lifting up a transmission by hand, couldn't get it quite lined up, pretty much ran out of strength trying to hold it there because he couldn't get it lined up. I had to run over, grab it, line it up, get it on the dowels, and then he's sitting there shaking on the ground. That's why you don't do that. Use a transmission jack. That's not more efficient. It's faster. Takes a couple extra minutes to get a transmission jack, but you're not going to the hospital either, or you're not damaging a really expensive transmission. So you don't want to go faster. You want to be more efficient. More efficiency is mo better. So just a quick PSA about being faster is not the right play. Be more efficient. So I hope you found this video helpful. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.